I'll tell you, when I saw this, I literally screamed. I haven't looked at it in person yet. Oh no! I'm sorry, buddy, but just like no. Hi, I'm Bean. Today I'm doing something very important, of the utmost importance. I am unboxing my very first Funko Pops. Funko Pop dolls, pops. So my mom actually is obsessed with Duran Duran, the band from the 80s, sings Hungry Like the Wolf, if you didn't know. Yeah, I guess just kind of recently maybe, I think. I don't know. They put out Funko Pops of all the members, and she has wanted these buddies. She's literally been retweeting other like women who have them all around their kitchens, like, oh no, like Nick's trying to steal my Girl Scout. Like these grown women like playing with the little Duran Duran Funko Pop dolls, and they're so cute. My mom wants them so bad, and they've been sitting in her Amazon cart for forever because we share an account and I can see that. So I decided to go ahead and take the initiative and order them off of Hot Topic. We have some Duran Duran Funko Pops that I'm gonna unbox, as well as some fun other characters that I'm excited about. So let's get into it. So as you guys know, we are in, but as I unbox things, I'm gonna be spraying everything with Lysol. And yes, that probably means the boxes of the Funko Pops themselves, which I know people are like crazy about the boxes, so it's probably gonna trigger a lot of you, but gotta do what you gotta do.
Maybe you should like spray it and then wipe it down so that it doesn't leave the residue.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Can you hand me the hand towel then, please? Thank you. So, I'm excited. Look at all of these buddies in here. Here they all are. How fun. She's gonna be so excited. She loves little things and just like cute stuff in general, which is why this is like perfect for her, because it combines like the cute little stuff with Duran Duran. It's like her two favorite things in the world, so. Aren't they so cute? Let me tell you what, when you buy these on pretty much any website that I looked at, if you buy a certain amount, like Hot Topic was having like I think it was like a 3 for $27 or something. So I was like, that's an odd number, unfortunately. Like that's 5 dudes. Like I gotta make it an even number, I gotta round up. So I've gotta pick out one for myself, okay? And let me tell you, I always thought that these little things, the Funko Pop stuff, was like the stupidest thing. Like, I'm not gonna lie. These have been around for a while. So, you know, in middle school or high school or whatever, when they started, yeah, there's a little funky funk job on Roger too. He's got like stuff on his arm. Anyway, I never was into it. I thought it was stupid, especially now in my older age. I'm more of like a minimalist when it comes to this kind of stuff, but I see the appeal. I was looking for things like, I was like, I gotta pick one out for myself to get a discount, right? And as I started looking into it, I'm like, holy shit, like I get it. Like I get the urge and I get the hype, because like there's so many different kinds and some of them are like rare. Almost everything that I wanted was sold out. So I'm like, okay, cause like I love My Hero Academia lately and they have some really cute Funko Pops, but like a lot of the good ones are like sold out. And so it's like a hunt, you know? So it's like one of those like collectible things, people get really into it, and I get it. And I'll tell you, when I saw this, I literally screamed, because it's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life and I didn't know it existed. I haven't looked at it in person yet. Oh no! Chris. It's BT21 RJ. My mom is to Duran Duran as I am to BTS and Monsta X and a lot of other K-pop groups. But anyway, Jen is my BTS bias. RJ is the love of my life. I like collect, you know, it's nothing compared to those crazy people, but I have quite a few RJ things. And this is just, oh my God, this is the cherry on top. Do you see his face? Do you see how cute his freaking face is? Like, look at what the normal Funko Pops look like. Look at this face. Oh, I love him. Okay, we gotta Lysol you too, buddy. Also very cute in these BT21 Funko Pops. They have obviously all of the characters, but I also really liked Tata, so cute, okay? And Shuki, he looks so cute. These 3, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna actually unbox him, and then I do have one more Funko Pop that I'm gonna unbox after this. So stay tuned. Yeah, I don't really have any desire to like keep things in the box or anything like that. No. Oh my God, no. Do you know how small he is? Dude, he's gonna look so good on my dresser. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my God, oh my God. I mean, if you just have him up here, Look at him. Look at him up there. I'm so happy. Look, we can put him with Kaz.
No.
Next to Kaz. Look, they're best friends. They're best friends. So cute. Oh my god, look at his little paws. Look at how he's sitting. He's sitting like this. He's a polite alpaca, as we all know. I'm sorry, buddy, but a little spritz, just like a, just run it through the thing, you know, just a little spritz. I don't want to mess up the paint. I probably did, but it's okay. I love him, and he can't get corona. Oh. Their heads move. Their heads move. Oh, that's too much. So he can be like sitting and boop. I love him. He's so cute. Tell me that's not the cutest shit. Okay. Last one. I'm a proper Funko Pop collector now, okay? I bought this, I bought a resale of this, okay? I needed this in my life, okay? Oh, you can, okay, no, don't look. I'll show you guys later. I gotta open it first. No.
You're showing it.
No, I'm not. Okay. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is like some alternate reality we're living in right now. Like to where having to do this to every item that I get is like completely normal. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I, like I said, was looking at My Hero Academia stuff a lot because I've just been in the mood. When I saw this shit, I was literally like, I need it in my life. Like I need it, but you can't just buy it anywhere anymore. It's all like resales now. So I got this buddy for $20, even though he was probably like $8 to begin with. Yeah, no, apparently, what was it? Fighter Deku? Fighting Deku or something?
Deku
yeah.
300 bucks.
Craziness. Honestly, like, I also really wanted Todoroki because he's so cool. He has like little ice and like little flames and stuff attached to his little pop figure. So I thought it was super cool and cute, but he's also like, you can't really find him anywhere. But this is not basic at all. This is Deku in onesie. So cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna scream. Ow. So it's tiny Midoriya, toddler Midoriya in his little freaking All Might outfit, okay? In his All Might onesie. Tell me that's not the cutest shit you've ever seen in your life. In the show, it's the cutest shit I've ever seen in my life. I knew when I saw him, like, this is the pop figure I have to get. Like, this is it. But again, he was sold out everywhere, so I had to buy him on Mercari, but I think this is probably it for me. Like, I don't think I'm gonna get any other ones, I don't think, except for maybe Todoroki. And then once I have, like, Todoroki, it's gonna feel wrong not to have Bakugo. So, like, I don't know. But anyway, so there it is. My very, very, very first, and probably last, but maybe not, Funko Pop unboxing. Yay! Chris is like so done with me. He's gonna break up with me. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if you got nothing out of this. I just hope we had a fun time together. Everybody obviously stay safe, stay home, and Lysol everything that you have sent to your home. I'm not playing with you. Use hand sanitizer, wash your hands, wash your clothes. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later.